Your iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo and nothing seems to work. Don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through every fix, step by step.
First, let's identify what you're seeing. The Apple logo might be completely frozen with no response. A progress bar could be stuck for over an hour. Your phone might be boot looping, restarting over and over. The logo could be flashing, or it only appears while plugged in. Or maybe it got stuck right after an iOS update. No matter which symptom you have, the fixes ahead will help.
Fix number 1. Charge it properly. This has zero risk of data loss. Plug your iPhone into a wall charger, not a laptop USB port. Use a known good MFI certified cable and adapter. Wait at least 30 to 60 minutes without touching it. If it still won't charge, gently clean the port with a wooden toothpick. Many stuck cases are simply a critically low battery.
Fix number 2. Force restart. This is 100% data safe for iPhone 8 and later, including all modern models. Press and release volume up. Press and release volume down. Then hold the side button until the Apple logo reappears. For iPhone 7, hold volume down and the side button together until the logo shows up. For iPhone 6s or SE first gen, hold the home button and the side button together. A force restart never erases your data.
Fix number 3. Recovery mode with update. This reinstalls iOS without erasing your data. Connect your iPhone to a Mac or PC via USB cable. Enter recovery mode using the same button combo as a force restart, but keep holding. When the option appears on your computer, click Update, not Restore. Wait 15 to 45 minutes for the firmware to reinstall. Warning: if update fails repeatedly, it may auto-convert to Restore, which wipes your data.
Fix number 4. DFU mode. This is the last resort. DFU bypasses the bootloader and reinstalls firmware from scratch. Press and release volume up. Press and release volume down. Hold the side button until the screen goes black. Then hold side and volume down together. Release the side button, but keep holding volume down. The screen must stay completely black. Warning: DFU causes 100% data loss. Only proceed with a verified backup.
Here's how to diagnose the problem yourself. Connect your iPhone to a computer and open iTunes or Finder. Don't click anything, just observe. If the iPhone shows up normally, it's likely a minor software issue. If it's in recovery mode, you have software corruption. If it connects and disconnects in cycles, it's a hardware problem, likely the PMIC. If the computer doesn't see it at all, severe hardware failure is likely. And if it shows 0 bytes or unknown,
Now here
that
are
points
critical
to
things you must
NAND
never
chip
do.
failure.
Never click Restore first. It wipes all your data and encryption keys permanently. Never force restart more than 5 times. It stresses failing components. Never put your phone in rice. It does nothing and lets corrosion grow. Never use a cheap charger. A voltage spike can kill a recoverable phone. Never open it yourself without proper anti-static tools. And never ignore water exposure. Corrosion grows silently over days and weeks.
So why does this happen? Let's break down the root causes. About 65% of cases are software issues, like failed updates or full storage. Around 20% are battery or power problems, including degraded batteries and PMIC failures. And about 15% are hardware damage, such as water damage, NAND failure, or broken flex cables. Understanding the cause helps you pick the right fix.
Let's look at the internal components that commonly fail. The battery is the most common hardware culprit. A degraded cell can't supply enough voltage during boot. The PMIC's chip regulates power across the entire phone. When it fails, boot loops follow. The NAND chip stores all your data. When it starts failing, error 4013 appears in iTunes. Water damage causes slow corrosion that can kill your phone days after exposure. The Face ID flex cable can short circuit and cause boot loops. And a dirty charging port with lint or bent pins prevents proper charging.
Is your data still there? In most cases, yes. Photos, videos, messages, contacts, WhatsApp chats, notes, and health data can all be recovered. The Apple logo phase is the bootloader, and it never touches your personal files. However, already deleted items cannot be recovered. If you already clicked Restore, encryption keys were wiped. And if you forgot your passcode, recovery becomes much harder. Quick tip: log into iCloud.com right now. Your data may already be backed up there.
Here's how to prevent this from happening again. Keep your storage below 90% capacity. Maintain battery health above 80% before installing updates. Enable iCloud Backup and iCloud Photos for automatic nightly backups. Use only MFI-certified cables and chargers. Ensure stable Wi-Fi during iOS updates. Skip iOS beta versions on your daily phone. Use a protective case to prevent drops. And avoid any liquid exposure to your device.
Most Apple logo freezes are fixable in under 10 minutes. If this guide helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and you've got this.